The 11th of February 2024, Clinton money. As the whole racket with the US aid comes out, and as we poke through all of it, it is unbelievable stuff. I don't propose to listen to what it's doing, promoting all kinds of woke stuff all over the world. Unbelievable. Millions everywhere. But one of the things I always remember was that when Trump started running in 2016, he was going around looking for support and, gathered up people. But he went into Little Haiti in Florida. Little Haiti is a little enclave of Haitian people from that poor country of Haiti in the Caribbean. And he went into it, and this very nice looking man, very decent looking man, begged Trump to please do something about what happened in Haiti. And what happened in Haiti is that this US aid and other US state allocated a big lump of money to help Haiti after an earthquake, I think it was. Or was it a storm? I don't know, a hurricane. Somebody can post it, doesn't matter, some tragedy anyway. Very poor country, and they awarded money to help Haiti. And the Clinton one, I think she was Secretary of State or something, she appointed Bill, the husband, to run the fund. And this guy from Haiti, he was a fellow in Haiti, pleading with Trump to do something. It looked, from what he said, was that the Clintons and the whole lot of them stole the whole lot and left nothing for Haiti. You can't read that Clinton money. That was 2016. I always remember him. And Trump didn't do too much about it that time. I hope he does now. It looks like a lot of these funds was all stolen by the American politicians, or the Democrats, may I tell you. There's some crowd. They are some crowd. They're a dangerous crowd. They move into your area with millions, and they have their target on you, or your government, or your legitimate elected government. And it would be the same as during the Troubles if the Americans had armed fully and given billions to the IRA. I'll give them some boost. And they were financing Al-Qaeda, Islamic terrorism. But I'm only telling you, I remember that. It's not the day or after, because when Trump went up first, I thought him too good to be true. I think I'm being vindicated now. He is too good to be true. He's doing a fantastic job rooting them out. But that goes back a long time. The money was allocated, and most of it from USAID, if I go by memory. But I didn't know USAID existed. I thought it was all public money. So only now I realised this. Nobody knew this was going on. They knew there was money being given out, but they didn't know the vehicle. And I remember the poor man saying, please, will you do something? We know the money is allocated by American people to help us, and it's all stolen. And nothing has changed since that. That's just 3 minutes of a video. Isn't that a sad thing? If that's true, and that's what the man said, you might still get him. And Trump was sitting on like a bar stool beside a painted barrel, listening to what the man was saying. Let's hope this time he looks at that. Because if that's whoever was siphoning off that money, it went to the Clinton Foundation, where it was distributed by them. And Ireland gave between 5 and 20 million euros from Francis Fitzgerald of Fine Gael in the government to the Clinton Foundation to help Hillary with her electioneering. And I happen to believe, as somebody who watched Trump in the 2016 election, I happen to believe that what really got him elected was Wikileaks. Wikileaks was blowing this stuff up at that time. This, what we're now discovering, was being got at by Wikileaks. That was they hacked the emails of the State Department. And they were able to say what emails she deleted and what she was doing with all her knavery. And all of them. It was WikiLeaks that poisoned Hillary and gave Trump the edge. And it was largely true. That's what they're dealing with. That's what most Irish voters here would vote for. 80% of Irish voters will still vote Democrats, although it has to be said that they're coming round to Trump's way of thinking. A lot of people now are telling me that Trump is winning. And I think if there's fear had people like that. I was one of the few people who had the courage to say he was right. Wasn't that a good one? The money was allocated. There was some kind of a crisis there way back in 2014 or there. The people were dying with the hunger, terrible situation. American government allocated the money in good faith and they got their hands on it. And that finished that. I don't know, did they get anything? We'll see you back. The cat's after coming in. We'll see you back for that's only 5 minutes. Comment underneath about it. There's more and more of this stuff coming out. I don't want to bore you with too much of the grubby details, but it is unbelievable stuff. It's unbelievable stuff. How do you think Jewish? And there's some crowd. Imagine giving money for poor Jewish, not letting her get the cat food. Good luck. Bye bye. Thank you.